Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today we are going to make the very best key lime pie you've ever had. Okay, so let's be honest. There are literally thousands of key lime pie recipes on the internet. I mean, am I right? So what is it exactly about this recipe that sets it heads and shoulders above the rest? Three things. One, the ingredients. Use the freshest key limes you can find, or at the very least, the freshest regular limes. And if you can't find either of those, this is not a terrible substitute. Number two is a very simple technique that I'm going to share with you on how to make the filling. And if you use this technique, it will more than compensate if you need to use a bottled key lime juice. So the third thing is, which is often overlooked and taken for granted, is the crust. And that's where we're going to start right now, is with the crust. Now you can use store-bought graham crackers, but if you are really shooting to make this the very best key lime pie you will ever experience, I highly recommend you check out this link right here on how to make your own. Once you've got your graham crackers, put them in a plastic bag and pound them with a mallet, or pulse them in a food processor until you have 2 cups of crumbs. Then, in a large bowl, mix the crumbs with 4 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon kosher coarse salt, and 1 tablespoon lime zest. Pour this mixture into your pie dish and press it evenly along the bottom and up the sides. Bake your crust in a 350-degree oven for 8 minutes. While the crust is toasting up, let's go jump on the filling. In a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, beat 5 egg yolks and 1½ tablespoons of lime zest on medium-high until they have increased in volume and turned pale yellow. This should take about 10 minutes and will give your key lime pie a lighter texture without sacrificing flavor. This is a good time to finish juicing your limes. Once your yolks have increased in volume and turned pale yellow, lower the mixer to a medium speed, then slowly add 1 can of condensed milk and beat for another 5 minutes. Then lower the speed again to a low setting and carefully pour in 1 cup of fresh squeezed key lime juice. Continue mixing on low until the juice is completely incorporated. Now you can pour your filling into your cooled graham cracker crust and bake it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes or until it's set. You can tell it's set when it doesn't jiggle in the middle. All right, so this needs to refrigerate now for about 4 hours, or overnight in the refrigerator is just fine. Oh yeah, just a little more whipped cream. Can it have too much whipped cream? I don't think so. That is really nice. It's a great balance between the light whipped cream and that super tangy, intense key lime of the pie. So good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you want to print it out, head over to lakesidetable.com. And then come on back for some more videos, because I'll be right here eating this key lime pie. Bye, guys.